loves it, and I'm sure you will like it too. All you need is tortillas, melted butter, sugar, and some cinnamon. Let's start. Now I'm going to talk about the pan. You'll need like a tall pan so 2 tortillas can fit it at a time. And then you can put like a sheet on it, baking sheet. Now let's get started. So rule number 1, step number 1. Take sugar and cinnamon and mix them together.
Yeah, that will be enough.
And then stir. It smells so good. Now we mixed it. Now we'll put it back. Now take 2 tortillas. You have to put 2 at a time. That's the only space we have. Next, take the butter and then take this and then stir it
And spread it.
and spread it. Now I've spread enough butter on 2 tortillas. Now I'm going to put away the butter and then sprinkle the sugar. There has to be the sprinkle thingies, so that when people eat it, they'll feel it on all sides. Now, next step. Use this pizza cutter and cut it into a shape.
Come on, let's take it and put it in the oven. Come.
Okay. Bake at 350 degrees for 8 minutes. Let's eat!
It's awesome.
It's so good, so good.
The crust is my favorite part. The crust is my favorite part.
The sugar's mine.
Yeah, that's a slow-mo dance. You do a fast one. That's fast.